today we are going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Woo! I have 3 boats here, so I'm going to test them out and show you guys as well. This is my first boat I'm going to be testing. Also, by the way, if you guys have the rockets here, use only one, because usually when you don't use that many, it will just start. You'll have to, because it shuts down very easily with the red ones, but with the purple rockets, you have infinite fuel that I think of, or I believe. And then if it just runs out, you have to press another one, which you have to use like 3 of them in order to do it. You don't really need 3 because 2 works fine as well. I just have it just in case, because in these rounds you can actually lose parts. And also, guys, after this round, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a fly glitch. Oh, there goes one. Let's hope we didn't lose it. Yes, we didn't lose it this time. Because whenever I play, I always lose it. We have, we still have these guys with us. Whoa, what happened? I think that's what happens when you're in a VIP server. There's nothing here. Alright, let's see if we can finish this. Let's still see if we can still finish it. Finish it off. Finish it off. We can do this, guys. This is so slow. Did we make it? Yes, we made it. Let's go. We did it, guys. Ow. That hurt. Oh no! We're crash landing! Ah! Stop it! Can't turn it off! Oh, there we go. Okay. Spikes! We're just flopping. I don't think it will stop. Will it stop? Ah! Whoa, it kind of looks like Spider-Man when I do this. And when you go in first person, it kind of looks like you're Spider-Man, because you're like climbing walls. And I'm actually a big fan of Spider-Man, if you guys didn't know. Can I get out, please? Please? Please, can I get out? Yeah, I'm stuck. Okay, there we go. Just gotta go in first person. I can tell that the water here doesn't like kill you, because the water over there is like a different color. So I'm assuming it's like not dangerous for this water, but it's really dangerous for the other colored water. Yes, we got treasure. And the reason I don't have a lot of money here is because, well, I actually used it all on my rockets, which is this one's 4,000 gold. Now if you guys want to really actually do the flying glitch, it doesn't go really fast, but you can actually fly. And then I'll tell you how to stop if you don't want to fly anymore. So the thing is, you actually have to at least have like 50 of your gold here, and then you have to buy this, a hinge. I don't need to buy because I have plenty. You're also gonna need a wooden, what's it called? A wooden rod, and press this plus sign in order to, if you want to know what it is. And you're also gonna have to take off the anchor for this glitch to work. And you cannot have the boy body. You have to have the man body, which I'm going to change right now. Okay, now that you and I have this body, we're gonna have to step, or try to step like in the middle, kind of. And then you're also gonna have to have glue, a glue block, which we're gonna use after and later. But make sure to not anchor your blocks. If there's a check mark, uncheck it right before you put this, or you place this thing down. And if you're on PC, press T on your keyboard and then this will happen, which you're gonna need. But if you're on mobile, there's a button that allows you to which it allows you to rotate it. And then once you got this, just in case, you're gonna put a glue on yourself, and then get rid of this here, and then you can fly. But after, you must put this here, and then get rid of the glue here, and then boom, you can fly. All you gotta do is press launch, and then it works. You go really fast. Make sure you pass this stage though. Yeah, like that. And then boom. You can do anything. You're so fast. You're going really fast. Oh shoot. I didn't. When you go too fast at times though, you might die. So you have to go. So first you have to patch the first stage in order to get to the clock. And then after, that's when the glitch starts to begin. That's the part when you have to like keep jumping till you're up there. And then you could just keep flying. But if you want to stop flying, you have to the glue wouldn't work for this one. But then if you have to just do nothing, and then once you wait it out, you have to you'll like fall, and then you get your gold. But the reason you need this, an ice block or any block that can anchor something, is that when it's on the hinge is under or on top of it, you need an anchor for yourself to go down easier once you're at the end. And then once that happens, you go down, and then everything will just split apart since the anchor block isn't working. And then that's the part when you just get your gold. Let's see if I can do this again. If like, let's see. I gotta be perfectly on it. Alright, let's see if I can. So what you're gonna do is have to go here, and then you have to make sure that your body's in the middle, which you could tell by these lines here on the wooden rod. And then that's the part when you grab the hinge. But in order to test it out, you actually have to jump in order for you to actually see if it works. Once you're flying, you need to quickly grab the ice block and put it down. But if you want to go faster, remove it. And then boom. Which actually causes it to not be really that fast. Which could be a problem. And you don't have your anchor, so then you're basically gonna have to die. Do not do that. Make sure to always put an anchor that is hard enough to allow you to fall. And the thing that makes you go fast is the thing that connects this from it. And if you want to just do this, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work. You actually have to do the wooden rods here. You actually have to do them. Do that. Where is it? Where's the hinge? Oh, it's all the way down here. Okay, so do that again, and then if it doesn't work, retry it. Okay, gotta make this perfect from. Okay, perfect. All right, get rid of this here, and make sure to have an anchor. Just another reminder, or else the glitch won't work. Launch. Press launch. Just get past for this first stage, and then boom. Yeah, this will happen too. Just keep on flying. The baseball's my worst enemy. No. Okay, it's working. It's working. Here, this is the stop part where you actually have to like just keep on moving here once you think you're done. Just wait it out. Just wait it out. See that you're dropping. This glitch can also sometimes not work at times. So basically, if you want it to work, just keep on trying until you'll get it. Just keep on waiting till you, and if you don't, once you think you're gonna fall, just keep on moving back and forth, like side to side, in order for you to think that, oh shoot, okay. And it should fall apart. Yeah, and then after, it will fall apart. And then you can get your gold. See? And then that's how you do the glitch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Peace out. Bye.